If you run a legal consultation firm and you are tired of manually handling thousands of users' queries, then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will demonstrate how you can automate legal consultations via WhatsApp. And in this video, we are going to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send us any text message, then our WhatsApp chatbot will reply them automatically on our behalf. So if you are ready to learn how I'm going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that let us jump right onto my screen. Hello everyone, today I am excited to show you this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate my legal consultations business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. And for that, we will go on my WhatsApp account, and in here I will send this particular text message, hello, and after that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and it has sent me this welcome message: hi, welcome to Justice Law Firm, how can we assist you today? And now I will interact with this WhatsApp chatbot as a client who want to book this consultation for himself. So first of all, I will click on this button, book consultation, and after that you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me this message: please select the type of consultation that you are looking for. And below this particular text, it has given me these 3 different types of options to select from. So as I want to select this property dispute, so I will click on this button, and now this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me for my name. So I will enter my name and I will send it to this particular WhatsApp chatbot. And after that, this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me for my number, so I will also enter my number. And after sending my number, you can see this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me to share some relevant documents so that this lawyer can understand my case better. So I will send this particular document inside this chat like this, and here I have also sent this document successfully. And after that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me another message, and in here it is asking me to select the available time slots. So I will select this particular time slots, and after that this bot has sent me this confirmation message that my consultation is confirmed on this particular date at this particular time, and it has said that our lawyer will contact you soon. So you just saw how easily I could book this consultation for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And creation of this WhatsApp chatbot is extremely easy. So now I will show you how exactly I created this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow, and after that, when you will click on this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here on the top right corner, you can see we have got these 2 different options: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button given here. But before clicking on this button, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join this community from there. And now I will go back to this Pabbly Chatflow page, and in here, as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button. After that, I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so I will click on this access now button, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to click on this add WhatsApp number button to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, and you can choose any of these 2 WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow account. And in the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, so for that you can check the description box of this video. We have added link of separate videos explaining each of these following features, and in that particular dashboard you will also see a video in which we have explained how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow account. And after adding your WhatsApp number, if you want to create a chat flow, then you have to click on this flows feature and you have to select this flows from here. And after that, inside this flow builder page, you have to click on this add flow button to start creating a flow for yourself. But before this, you can see this is the legal consultation bot that I have previously created for myself. So before starting to create this exact same new chatbot, let me first inactivate this particular WhatsApp chatbot so that my WhatsApp chatbot can run smoothly. Now I will click on this add flow button to start creating a new chat flow for myself, and after that I will get directed on this page where we have got this most important button, trigger, and this trigger is like the event on which I want my chat flow to get triggered. So before working on this trigger button, first of all I would like to give a meaningful name to my chat flow as this legal consultation bot. And after this, for this trigger, you can see inside this trigger button we have got these three different boxes. So this trigger event is like the event on which I want my chat flow to get triggered. So when I will click on this drop down, you can see all these trigger events are available for me to select from, but I will select this particular event, keyword or regex match, because I want my chat flow to get triggered with help of some keywords that I will enter in this particular enter keywords box. So I will enter this particular keyword hello, and then I will press this enter button to successfully add this particular keyword. And after that, you can see for this enter regex box, this regex stands for regular expression, and it is our universal code which we use when we want to extract some keywords from a particular paragraph. But for now I will skip this, and with this we have successfully completed the setup of my trigger step. So now we will move towards my action step, and for my action step I want that whenever any client sends me this particular keyword hello, I want to send them a welcome message. So to frame a welcome message, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here, and then inside this enter message box I will enter the welcome message for my customer. Hi, welcome to Justice Law Firm, how can we assist you today? And just below this particular text I will add two buttons, and to add button I just have to click on this add button, and then inside those button I will add this particular text, book consultation and ask query. And I have added this button so that my client can interact with me by clicking on any of these following buttons. So now we will move towards setting up these following buttons. So first of all, let us set up this ask query button. So I want that whenever any customer clicks on this ask query button, I want to ask them a question. So to frame a question, I will drag this ask question button from here and I will drop it in here. Then inside this enter message box, I will paste my question. Please type your legal query in detail. And then first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and after that you can see from this select contact custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field, queries that I have created to store the queries given by my customer. And then for this select format, I will select this format as text, as in this particular format I want my customer to reply to me. And then for this number of attempt, you can see inside this particular box I can enter the number of attempt which I want to give to my customer. And then after this particular question, I want to send a message to my customer. So for that I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here. Then first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will enter the message for my customer. Thanks, our lawyer will contact you soon. If you want to book consultation, click below, and just below this particular text I will add this button, book consultation, so that my customer can directly click on this particular button and book a consultation for themselves. And with this I have successfully completed the setup of my second button, ask query. So now we'll move towards this button, book consultation. So to frame this particular button, I will drag this touch button from here and I will drop it in here. And then after that, first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this particular message box I will enter a message for my customer as this, please select the type of consultation that you are looking for. And just below the text I will add three different buttons, and in those buttons I will enter three different type of consultations that I offer from my firm. And here I have filled all of my three buttons, and now as I want to store the particular consultation type selected by my customer, so for that from this action features here I will drag this set custom field and I will drop it in here. And after that, first of all I will connect these following circles, and then from this custom field drop down I will select this particular custom field consultation type, which I have created to store the consultation type selected by my customer. And inside this enter value box, I will copy this exact same text from here and I will paste it in here. And here I have successfully set up this custom field so that whenever if my customer clicks on this particular family dispute, then this particular choice will get stored by my WhatsApp chatbot. And now I will quickly complete the setup of my remaining 2 buttons. And here I have set up these custom fields for all of my 3 buttons, and now I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. But before exiting this particular page, I would advise you to click on the save button to save your workflow, otherwise all your work here will get lost. And then from this setting feature here, I will select this particular contact custom field, and in here you will see that all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself are now visible in front of you. So now to add one more field, I will click on this add more field, and then I will give a name to this particular field, and after that I will click on this save button, and here our contact custom field is saved successfully. Now when I'm inside the flow, you can see this is the flow in which I am working. So in here, when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you will see that this particular contact custom field has been created successfully. Now I can select this particular field if I want to. So this is how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. And now we will move towards my next action step, and for that, as I want to ask the name of my customer, so for that I will again drag this ask question button, and then inside this enter message box I will enter the question for my customer. And here I have entered, alright, please let me know your full name. And from this custom field drop down, I will select this particular field client name, which I have created to store the name of my client. And then inside this format, I will select the format as text because I want my customer to reply to me in this particular format. And then I will connect all of these 3 custom fields with this question button, and after that we will move towards my next action step. And for that also, as I want to ask a question, so I will just click on this copy button, and after that I will connect both of these circles, and then inside this enter message box I will change this particular text with the message, please share the number where our lawyers can contact you. And now from this custom field drop down, I will select this particular contact custom field client phone, and then for this format I will select it as any. And after this question, as I want to ask my customer to send me a document, so for that I will drag this ask media button from here and I will drop it in here, and then inside this enter message box I will enter the message for my customer. So I will paste this particular question, can you share some relevant documents for us to understand your case. And then for this contact custom field I will select this particular field package, and after that I will connect both of these following circles. And now we will move towards my next action step, in which I want to ask my customer to select their preferred date and time slot. So for that I will drag this text button, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this particular message, here are the available time slots, please select preferred date and time. And just below this I will click on this add button thrice to add 3 buttons, and in those buttons I will add 3 different time slots. And here, as I also want to store the date selected by my customer, so for that I will again drag this set custom field and I will drop it in here, and then I will connect both of these following circles. And this time for this contact custom field I will select this particular field date, and after that for this enter value I will paste this exact same text inside this box. And here I have successfully set up the custom field for my first button, and now I will quickly complete the setup of my custom field for my remaining 2 buttons. And with this I have almost completed the creation of my WhatsApp chatbot, and now I just have to send a concluding message to my customer. So for that I will drag this text button, and inside this enter message box I will enter my concluding message for my customer. And in here you can see I have entered this message, your consultation is confirmed on $date, our lawyer will contact you soon. And you can see I have used this $sign and this custom field date to map the date selected by my customer. And you can see this is the exact same custom field which I have created to store the date selected by my customer. Now I just have to connect all of these following circles, and with this the creation of my WhatsApp chatbot is complete. Now I will go back, and from this second book consultation button which I have created for my second button ask query, I will just connect this particular button with this particular message box, so that if my customer clicks on this book consultation button, this particular message box with this types of consultation automatically gets delivered to him. And now I will connect both of these following circles And here, as all of the circles of my chatbot are connected, so now I will just click on this save button to save my workflow. Otherwise my chat flow will not work as expected. So now as our flow is updated successfully, so now we will go back on my WhatsApp account, and here we will test our WhatsApp chatbot. So for that I just have to enter this message hello, and after that my chatbot will get triggered instantly, and you will see that it has sent me this welcome message. Hi, welcome to Justice Law Firm. How can we assist you today? Now if I want to book a consultation for myself, then I just have to interact with this bot, and then I can easily book a consultation for myself. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to clone this flow, then for you I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video, so you can go and clone this flow from there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.